In this video I'm going to show you how to download Autobahn Police Simulator 3 on your PC. So what we need to do is open our Google browser, and before we start I would like to ask you to subscribe to the channel and like the video to support us. Once you have done this, then we can go to the Google browser, and what we need to do is quickly search up this game at Steam before we can continue to another website to download this game. So what you need to do is go to the Steam website, don't waste too much time on it, and quickly search up this game. So once you have found it, select it, then scroll a little bit down, and as you can see we can buy this game at Steam for €20.96. But don't worry, we got a little workaround for this. What you need to do is simply go to the video description and click on the link where it says find game here. Once you have done this, then you will be redirected to this webpage. What we are going to do here is search up the game again, Autobahn Police Simulator 3. Now once you have found it, then go to games on the left side, then sort by price lowest first, and as you can see we have a PC version over here, and this text is marked green, so this game can be activated in our country. After that, select it, and once you have opened the game page, then you will find out that we can already download this game for just €13.29 compared to the Steam price of €20.96. This will save you a lot of money while downloading games online. Now the next step is to purchase this game, and once you have purchased this game, then you will receive an email confirmation with all the steps to follow, including a Steam activation key, so you can activate this game in Steam and download it on your PC. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!